Welcome friends, welcome to my channel BVK Tech Bytes. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install the most popular software, that is MS Office. MS Office 2019 is the latest version. In this video we will see how to download MS Office 2019 Professional Plus, download at free of cost and activation at free of cost. MS Office is very essential software for all the people, and you can see this MS Office, if you want to purchase online, it is costs about 439 US dollars, that is almost more than 3000 rupees, and that too one time purchase for one PC only. So you can imagine what is the cost for this MS Office for n number of computers. So you can just multiply that. So this product is available in the online, that too free of cost, but you need to search many websites, then you will find the software. Now then you will download that software, install, then it will ask for the password, activation key. Again you need to search. So in search of that you may come across some viruses, ransomwares, like that Mado, what you have seen in the my previous video. Okay, so here I am not an expert in this area, but I tried some softwares and some codes, so it worked for me. So I thought it would be helpful for you. So that thing I would like to present here. So how to download the software? First of all, let me show you the software which I have downloaded. You can see MS Office already installed in my system. So I'm just opening Excel Office 2019. Okay, so if you just go to the file and account, you can see MS Office product activated, Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. It is a just power pack combination of these are the products, that is Access, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, and PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, and Skype also. So this is already activated product. So where to download this? So just go to the Google and type MS Office 2019 Pro Plus free download. You'll come across this website. First link, that is free software files. I am not doing anything new. I am not showing anything out of the box. I'm just simple things what you can do in the online. That only things I am showing you. Microsoft Office. You come across this link. So you just go down uh, as per your requirement, select. Okay, this is 64-bit. Okay, so it is 1.95 GB, so it is a big file, so it will be downloaded as ISO file, that means image file. So you can see it is already started, almost 2 GB. My net is slow, so I am just canceling this download. I already downloaded it. So once the file is downloaded, okay, this is my file. Okay, MS Office Professional, that is 1.95 GB. So once the MS Office is downloaded, I hope you know how to open this ISO file. First of all, you need to have some software to accommodate this virtual CD drive. Then in this virtual CD drive, here I am using Power ISO. Just type in the Google as Power ISO download. You can find this software free of cost. Then after installation, and it requires one time restart. After that you can find this virtual CD drive. In that you have to mount this image file. So it is downloaded and stored here. MS Office Professional, open. So like that your ISO file is comes into this virtual drive. Now you can see, you can just open this setup application, then it takes some time, it gets installed. So there is no customizable installation, it is one click installation. All the packed items, total 2 GB, and after installation it expands to some 3 plus GB. Okay, all the packs are installed into your system. After that, when you try to open the software, it will ask for activation key. So that activation key, we don't have that key. It requires online purchase that 3000 rupees cost. So what I'm gonna do is, I have some key, MS Office Plus. Okay, so these are the two files I would like to share with you. I'll provide the link in the description also. So this is a link, this is a notepad showing the link to download MS Office Professional Plus from the website. You can just copy paste this in the browser, then you will automatically it will be downloaded. And after downloading, carefully listen, see this, it is already actually saved in MS Word. Why? Because in my laptop this antivirus system, that is Defender, Windows Defender system, which is detecting the code, unusual code, and it is deleting. I have not written this code, I just copied from the website. You just need to copy this entire code like this, copy, and you have to open a new text document. In that, paste it and file save as one click dot cmd. Okay, it is a batch file. You can see here, this is one click batch file has been saved here. So you run this as an administrator. Okay, so after installing your MS Office, you have to switch off this Windows Defender or disable this MS Microsoft Defender or antivirus, any antivirus that you are using. Then run this file as an administrator. Then it will automatically enable your key, activation key, that will be resetted to, I don't know the code, and your MS Office will work. I have downloaded the same thing, and you can see my MS Office has been activated. You can see product activated, Microsoft Office. I have done this almost 2 months ago. Since 2 months I didn't get any problem, and my MS Office is working fine. So trust me, this will work for you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for further more videos, interesting videos, and thank you.